Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be unboxing this deck here. You'll be seeing what it looks like fresh out the box. You'll be knowing all the specs, everything like that, what it weighs, the dimensions, where to buy it from, and everything else like that. So, I'll also get some clips for you. At the moment, I'm at Wedge Park Skate Park, my little local, and you'll be seeing some clips. So keep on watching. Let's go unbox this deck, eh?
Alright, so the box is right here. I've cut the sticky tape with this. Make sure you always use the correct equipment and have gloves. Alright, as you can see on the box here, it says 22 by 6.3. That's the size I got. It also came in, I think it was like 23.5 by 6.3. Honestly, I could have gotten either size. By the store, I'd go for 22 and see how that goes. Damn, oh. Damn, shout out Atlas Co. This is where I got the deck from, by the way, obviously. Which is why they obviously sent me grip tape and some lollipops, so shout out Atlas Co. for real. So in the box, you got like the voltage system. Some of that guys. That's the quality. And here's the deck. Atlas Co sticker as well. Shout out Atlas Co again. Nice, and I can see there's actually another grip tape in there. That's like the Ethic design grip tape to match up with the deck. Decorate the deck designs and stuff like that. So yeah, I'll go ahead and open this and show you guys the color and stuff like that. There we go. Yeah, I think always have like pretty complicated voltage systems and stuff like that, but once it's on, it's good, but it's just a little bit confusing to get together sometimes. And that's the grip tape. It kind of matches up with the Lindworm V4. There we go, guys. The deck unboxed. Now I'm going to chuck her over into my current scooter and then I'll show you guys what the aftermath looks like. The end result looks like. Let's go. Alright, so this is the current deck here. It's a long way. Pretty sure it's 6 by 23. So it's skinnier but it's actually longer. Shout out Reese, the homie. Up with this deck right here, boys. That's it. Go follow him on IG.
Yo, what's up guys? It's actually the next week now, and I've put my scooter together, and I'll show you guys what it looks like right now. Alright guys, this is what my scooter looks like. Got the same bars on, the same forks and wheels and everything. But here's the deck. As you can see, I've done a couple little grinds already, stuff like that. But I'm about to wax her up right now, about to do that.
Now you've seen the deck unboxed and the scooter's fully put together, I'm going to show you some shots while I talk to you about some specs real quick. I know I've already told you guys the size of the deck in this video, but I'm going to say it again. The length of this deck is 560mm, which equivalates to 22 inches long. The width is 160mm, which also equivalates to 6.3 inches wide. So that deck in total weighs 1.935 kilograms, which is pretty light considering how big the deck is, but the deck is boxed, as you guys can already see in the video. But having a wider deck helps a lot with tricks such as 50-50, and it also helps a lot with tricks like 5-0. Like I mentioned earlier in the video, I ordered my scooter from Atlas Co. It's like a website here in Australia. I'm pretty sure they also have a scooter store, but I don't think it's in my state, so I just ordered it from the online store. But I'm pretty sure you could buy it from like pretty much any scooter store that you have in your local area, wherever that is around the world. And I bought it for 341 Australian dollars, and that equivalates to 205 euros or 226 US dollar. So I have nothing else to say except for I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. I'll see you in the next one. Also follow me on Instagram right here on the screen. Alright, peace. Bye guys.